People are not aware that the aging process is not fixed and it can be controlled. उम्र को कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. There are two types of ages. One is calendar age, which starts from the day you born and it cannot be controlled. But the other one is the biological age, which is the age of your body, and the quality of the body is in your hand. Its quality control is in your hand. You can 100% manage to look younger than your present age, and this is covered by 4 pillar system, which covers scientific and individualized nutrition and exercises, healthy detox, stress reduction techniques, and the other lifestyle adjustments. Aging is preventable, especially when proper and preventive measures are put in place, and in most cases it is even reversible up to a point, but you need to know how to do this. It is very easy, ये बहुत आसान है. This unique anti-aging age reversal comprehensive and integrated approach takes care of you and supports you with the best anti-aging science from inside out. Do you have any sign of premature aging? Do you have any symptoms of premature aging? Like you feel constantly tired and fatigued during the day. आप बहुत थक जाते हैं दिन भर में. You have gray hairs, thinning or losing of the hairs. You feel stiff and reduced in flexibility or mobility. You have dark or brown spots on your skin, dryness or sagging of the skin. You forget the things and people's name. You have constant red eyes and inflammation spots, fine lines and wrinkles, open up pores, discoloration of the skin. You avoid lifting heavy weights due to the back concern, spending more money on anti-aging supplements, products or face creams. Here with us, you will learn about and will achieve how to improve performance of all your body system, how to control stress, balance stress hormone, cortisol release and eliminate body inflammation, how to improve your skin texture naturally, body appearance, vitality, virality and look, how to boost and take care of brain functions, how to achieve youth hormonal balance successfully, how to achieve or maintain strong bones, how to control oxidative stress damages and many more things. So stay connected and trust me, you can also look at least 10 years younger than your present age, that too very easily.